As customers continue to look for ways to maximize the yield of the seed they plant, we'll continue to bring them ways to maximize planter performance. This quarter, a new electric drive meter, 2 new optional attachments, and 2 new planters bring customers more of what they need to stay competitive in their own business. Whether they're planting corn, soybeans, popcorn, cotton, sugar beets, or another row crop, these new solutions deliver unsurpassed population accuracy, spacing, and the uniform emergence needed to achieve maximum yields. In addition to helping maximize yield potential, John Deere is also giving customers ease of use advantages that increase uptime and make the most of the planting window. They can also expect a lower cost of operation due to time savings, less input cost, and reduced maintenance. Simply put, we're expanding the planting opportunities available for every operation and every condition. Let's start with a closer look at our new row unit, the MaxEmerge 5E.
The E in MaxEmerge 5E stands for electric drive. It's driven by 1 electric motor per meter with a small control box. This does away with the shafts and drive lines of a typical hydraulic drive system, and that means less maintenance and easier access to row unit components. That's a big step forward when you have a narrow planting window and need a reliable unit to get the job done. But perhaps the biggest advantage of the MaxEmerge 5E is how it improves population accuracy by compensating for curves on the outer and innermost rows of the planter. This electric drive delivers up to a 20% improvement in population accuracy on a 24-row planter when planting in curved terrain. That's a critical component of planter performance because research has shown that improved planting accuracy helps eliminate the 1 to 2% potential yield loss associated with seed spacing and population inaccuracies. And when we're talking large acreage, those savings add up. What's more, the MaxEmerge 5E improves reaction to population changes in the field when conditions dictate a higher or lower population. This enables the customer to more accurately plant to the variable rate prescription that maximizes profit potential. While the MaxEmerge 5E uses a seed tube, it offers some of the same important advantages that ExactEmerge technology does today, like high-performance vacuum automation, which automatically maintains your target vacuum setting throughout the day, which means less time monitoring and making adjustments. It uses SeedStar 3HP and SeedStar mobile monitoring for near real-time row-by-row planting performance. And when customers are ready, it's easier to upgrade to ExactEmerge and other advanced planting options. This is a great way to leverage their planter investment to achieve ultimate performance. Their MaxEmerge 5E planter already contains the generator, main harnesses, meter motor, row unit, and row unit controllers shared with ExactEmerge planters. All that's required to upgrade are the meters, brush belts, brush belt motors, and a row unit harness. Now let's take a look at a new option that gives each row the fast and accurate down pressure control needed for uniform emergence. It's aptly named Individual Row Hydraulic Downforce. With IRHD available on both MaxEmerge 5E and ExactEmerge, rows automatically and independently adjust for changing soil conditions. And it's amazingly fast, 58% faster than a pneumatic system. Just how fast is that? IRHD can adjust 5 times per second, and it makes adjustments of up to 100 pounds of downforce in less than a second. We're also helping keep customers in the field by protecting them from damaging obstacles. The IRHD features built-in protection from sudden blunt impacts like rocks or objects in the field. Each row has a hydraulic accumulator to absorb shock and maintain that all-important ground contact while protecting the row unit and overall hydraulic system. Naturally, there's a yield benefit here too. The faster reaction with steady downforce for consistent depth also supports uniform emergence. This control is vital because too little downforce can lead to loss of ground contact at the gauge wheels. This can cause uneven emergence. And uneven emergence can impact yield potential by 5 to 9%. That's yield potential that adds up to become real dollars to the customer's bottom line. The final planter option we're introducing is also key to achieving uniform emergence for maximum yield. Our pneumatic closing wheels, deliver 4 times the accuracy of the force applied over typical closing wheels for a more consistent seed trench and optimum seed-to-soil contact. Here, too, we see the benefit of speed. Closing wheel adjustment is fully integrated into the Greenstar 3 2630 display, and adjustments can be made from the cab in seconds, not minutes. This integrated control features 20 additional setting positions in 2 planter sections. It also enables a range of 70 pounds of closing wheel force to apply less or more force than today's spring-tensioned systems. All in all, it's much easier for customers to get the seed-to-soil contact they need for uniform emergence in any seed bed. And again, better yield potential. We're also excited to introduce 2 new planter models that bring the latest technology innovations to our customers that operate integral planters. For customers with bedded crops, the new 1725C 12-row stackfold planter offers a leap forward in maneuverability. With no lift assist wheels to get in the way, this planter makes it easier to operate in bedded crops or at the end of the rows. And hydraulic wing locks bring simplicity and speed when moving from field to field, all leading to more time in the field when it matters the most. Versatility is another strong suit of the 1725C. It is available with 36, 38, or 40-inch row spacing and a choice of MaxEmerge 5E or ExactEmerge row units to give customers the performance choice that fits their needs. There's also a 35-bushel central commodity system to speed fill times and cover more ground between fill-ups. With features that include active pneumatic downforce, as well as all the latest monitoring innovations available with SeedStar 3HP and SeedStar Mobile, the 1725C brings state-of-the-art planter performance to growers with bedded crops or wide row spacings. Our second new planter, the 1725NT 8-row stackfold, is great news for growers with smaller fields or transport width limitations. The unit folds to a width just under 10 feet for easier transport on narrow roadways. And because it comes with MaxEmerge 5E or ExactEmerge row units, this brings all of our latest technology to growers with smaller fields who want maximum performance. The 1725NT also features 1.6 bushel hoppers, active pneumatic downforce, and SeedStar 3HP and SeedStar Mobile technology for optimum productivity.
As you can see, we're offering customers several new ways to improve planter performance and maximize yield potential, no matter what their operational needs. This is the type of productivity, innovation, and versatility that John Deere is known for. The new MaxEmerge 5E row unit is well suited for those who want improved performance and advanced features not available on the MaxEmerge 5, but don't require all of the performance on our top-of-the-line ExactEmerge row unit. We now have 3 row units. This is a good time to see where the 5E fits in our lineup. It may be best illustrated with a simple good, better, best comparison. Certainly, MaxEmerge 5 set the standard for performance, versatility, and serviceability. Now the MaxEmerge 5E brings greater levels of performance with an electric drive metering system. This improves accuracy, reliability, and reduces maintenance costs. Our top-of-the-line ExactEmerge delivers the greatest levels of performance and the highest productivity available in the market today. Where MaxEmerge 5 and MaxEmerge 5E both use seed tubes, the ExactEmerge uses a brush belt for seed delivery. Then for better seed-to-soil contact, pneumatic closing wheels are an option for both MaxEmerge 5E and ExactEmerge. And the option for individual row hydraulic downforce is also available for MaxEmerge 5E and ExactEmerge. While there are other differences, these are the key features that separate these row units. But the ultimate story is that together, all these planter upgrades continue to help us lead the field in planting performance. When you add in the unmatched level of John Deere parts and service support, you have a powerful combination for customers to maximize yields, minimize input costs, and drive more profit from every acre.